Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. Are you ready to learn 25 more words in just 3 minutes? Hello, friends. Welcome back. Are you ready for 25 more words? Let's begin. Mother, a female parent. Mothers are very important. They take care of us. Father, a male parent. Fathers help us learn many things. They love us too. Brother, a boy in the family. Brothers can be fun and also annoying sometimes. Sister, a girl in the family. Sisters can be good friends. Baby, a very young child. Babies are cute and need a lot of care. Sun, it shines in the sky. The sun gives us light and warmth. Moon, we see it at night. The moon is bright and changes shapes. Star, small lights in the sky. Stars twinkle and are beautiful at night. Sky, we see it above us. The sky can be blue or gray. Cloud, white things in the sky. Clouds can bring rain or sunshine. Rain, water from the sky. Rain helps plants to grow. Snow, white ice from the sky. Snow is cold and can cover everything in white. Wind, air that moves. The wind can be very strong or gentle. Fire, it burns and is hot. Fire gives us warmth and light. Earth, the world we live on. Earth has land, water, and air. Sea, big water. The sea has many fish and is very deep. River, water that moves. Rivers flow and are fun to visit. Tree, a tall plant. Trees have leaves and give us shade. Flower, a beautiful plant. Flowers are colorful and smell nice. Grass, green plants on the ground. Grass is soft and good to walk on. Dog, a pet animal. Dogs are friendly and love to play. Cat, a pet animal. Cats are cute and like to nap. Bird, an animal that flies. Birds make lovely sounds. Fish, an animal that swims. Fish live in water and come in many colors. Cow, an animal that gives milk. Cows are big and gentle. Well done. Now you know 75 words. Just 25 more to go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.